Hey guys, Eek with East Coast Ken, and as you saw in my short yesterday, this is part 2 of bad mechanics. These lug nuts, I'm having to use this 1/2-inch breaker bar and this cheater pipe to loosen. That is absolutely pathetic.
So y'all see what's wrong with that? It was so tight it snapped off. There was nothing I can do about it. Shoddy work, fellas and ladies.
That's one strip. Let me move to a different one so I don't. On this one I'm worried about. That is pathetic, guys. I've had to do this on every single wheel and tire. Can't trust every mechanic. Can't trust every shop. This is why I'm a do-it-yourselfer. This is why I'm going to auto body school, so I can learn how to do this stuff for the outside, because I don't trust people, plain and simple. Hey, do me a favor. Drop some comments down below and let me know if you've ever had any experience like this. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.